What's up everybody, Brian Wagner, LSX Magazine. Let's talk about the turbo setup we put on Project Swedish Meatball. Beyond simple. Rick Trunket from Big 3 Racing literally just used a set of exhaust manifolds from a Gen 5 Camaro. We used the Summit Racing 78mm turbo, 3.5-inch stainless steel pipe the whole way around, a Summit Racing 4-inch intercooler, and that's really it. That's all that really goes into doing a conversion like this. You just get your basic piping, everything you need, slap it in there. You build the kit kind of how you want to do it. You spend the time to envision where it's not going to be in the way of anything. That's what Rick did with this, and even able to run a full exhaust on this car. If you want to see more, make sure you stick to LSX Magazine as we show you everything with Project Swedish Meatball.